What can be the consequences of exceeding the recommended number of daily vape puffs?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a topic that's important for anyone who uses vaping devices. That is, what happens when you exceed the recommended number of daily vape puffs? Let's dive into this topic and shed some light on the potential risks and consequences.
Understanding the recommended vape usage.
The first thing we need to understand is what is meant by recommended vape usage. Generally, the number of puffs you take in a day depends on your individual vaping device, the nicotine content of the e-liquid you're using, and your personal habit. However, excessive vaping is when you're using the device more frequently than you usually do, or more than what is considered a common usage pattern.
What happens physiologically?
When you exceed the recommended vape usage, there are various physiological consequences that may occur. 1. Nicotine overdose. Vaping excessively can lead to nicotine overdose. Symptoms include headaches, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, sweating, rapid heartbeat, confusion, and even seizures in severe cases. 2. Respiratory issues. Over-vaping can exacerbate asthma and other respiratory ailments due to harmful chemicals present in e-liquids. 3. Increased heart rate and blood pressure. High nicotine levels can cause your heart to beat faster and your blood pressure to rise, which can eventually lead to heart diseases. 4. Addiction. Nicotine is an addictive substance, and vaping excessively can lead to a stronger dependence on nicotine.
What are the long-term consequences?
Excessive vaping isn't just about the immediate, physiological effects. Over time, the risks become even more severe. 1. Potential for lung damage. E-cigarettes and similar devices haven't been around long enough for us to fully understand the long-term effects, but we do know that regular exposure to the chemicals in vape juice can potentially cause serious lung damage. 2. Risk of heart disease. The increased heart rate and blood pressure caused by nicotine can increase your risk of developing heart disease over time. 3. Increased risk of addiction. As mentioned earlier, excessive vaping can strengthen nicotine addiction, making it harder to quit in the future. So there you have it. While the exact number of puffs that constitute excessive vaping might vary, it's clear that using these devices too much can lead to some serious consequences, both in the short and long term. As always, it's best to be mindful of your usage and try to adhere to moderation when it comes to vaping. Remember, your health should always be your first priority. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.